Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Live With Me and I am Monica. In today's video we are going to discuss about a vegetarian meal plan. ये meal plan weight loss के लिए बहुत help करेगा. It's almost 1150-1200 calories का meal plan. So this is ideal for everyone out there who wants to shed some fat or weight. So this would be vegetarian, so if you are up for it, please stay tuned. So guys, this calorie deficit diet will be about 1150 to 1200 calories. So I will be giving you the macros and calories over here for each and every meal. So let's get started. So before starting this video, मैंने ये डाइट प्लान क्रिएट किया है बेस्ड ऑन इट्स अवेलेबिलिटी. जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम यूज़ करेंगे वो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर इन द कंट्री वुड बी इजीली अवेलेबल एंड द प्रिपरेशन टाइम्स शुड बी मिनिमम and also it would be highly nutritious. So guys, starting day you have to take 1 liter of water. I have told benefits of having water in my previous videos also, and that has helped me to in losing lot of weight. So you have to have 1 liter of normal water. You don't have to add anything, just have normal water. Now after you have your water, you have to go freshen up, and after half an hour like that, you have to have one seasonal fruit. Now you can have any fruit that is available in your home. Most of the time if you don't have anything, any season, banana is the best. You can have one whole banana in the morning after half an hour of having your water. If no fruit is available, you can have 5 soaked almonds, or you can also have 2 dates. 2, not more than that. Now if you are a coffee or tea person, after having your fruit you can wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can go ahead with your coffee or tea. You can have milk coffee or milk tea, but instead of sugar you have to add jaggery in that. Trust me guys, adding jaggery will not alter the taste at all, but it will be effective for your belly line. After tea you can go ahead with your breakfast, and in your breakfast you are going to have chilla. Chilla means you have to add besan. 2 spoons of besan you need to add with lot of vegetables, any masala you like. Pour water, make it batter consistency and you can make it. मैं ये सारे रेसिपीज़ मेरे आगे के वीडियोस में शेयर करूँगी, तो आप सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. Now this besan chilla you need to have only 2, so that it will be filling. आपको इसमें बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स ऐड करने हैं. You can add any vegetable of your choice like capsicum, onion, cabbage, green chilies, tomato, anything whatever you like. This chilla you can have with homemade green chutney, no ketchup, no pickle. When you are on this diet plan, you need to cut out on that excess salt which is coming from your pickles and sauces. So for your lunch you are going to have 2 chapati without ghee. 2 chapati. If you are a rice person, you can have 50 grams of semi brown rice or white rice, but if you take white rice, 50 grams of white rice is too less guys. It's just this much, a fist of rice, and I don't think you'll be full with that much rice. So I suggest you to have either semi brown rice, or you can go for multigrain chapati or whole wheat chapati. 2 chapati, you are going to have 1 bowl of dal. Now in few places few people will make very thick dal. So if your dal is too thick, you are going to have only half bowl, and your dal is if your dal is of medium consistency, you are going to have 1 full bowl of dal. Along with this you are going to have raita. Now for raita you are going to have half bowl of curd, in which you are going to grate some beetroot or carrot, anything that you like, and you are going to make raita out of it. Now if you are someone who can't have dal daily, अगर आप दाल रोज रोज नहीं खा सकते हैं, तो उसके जगह पर आप लेंगे sprouts का curry. You can take black chana, you can take kabuli chana, you can take any kind of sprouts of your choice, and you can make curry of it. But remember guys, you need to add ghee to your recipes rather than adding refined oil. Now moving back to snacks. For snacks you are going to have 2 multigrain breads. Remember the ingredients, and there should be no refined wheat flour in that. You can have that bread, 2 pieces. Along with that, you can have vegetable of your choice, or you can make a vegetable sandwich, or you can have 50 grams of paneer with that. You can make paneer sandwich. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee, again if you are used to having tea or coffee in the evening, but remember to add only half spoon of jaggery powder in it, not more than that. अब क्योंकि आप सुबह से होलसम फूड खा रहे हो तो आपको डिनर तक उतनी भूख नहीं लगेगी, इसके लिए फॉर डिनर वी आर गोइंग टू ऑप्ट फॉर अ नो सॉल्ट आइटम. अब आप खा सकते हो 1 बाउल पपाया, 1 बाउल ऑफ पपाया, और 2 slices of pineapple, or 1 kiwi, or you can have 2 tomatoes, sprinkle black pepper on it and have. So this will be your dinner, only this. You will not add any salt in your dinner, and make sure 3 hours before your sleeping time you will finish off this dinner. Now before sleeping you are going to have a drink. This drink will again boost up your metabolism and not let your body slow down while you are sleeping, and again you are going to burn those calories while you are sleeping. So recipe for this drink. Yeah. So guys, for this recipe you will take 1 cup of water. To this water we are going to add some grated ginger. So this ginger, to this we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Give it a good mix. Let this boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and then we will strain it and have it. Now this water has been boiling for good 5 minutes. Now we are going to strain it. Hope you like this video guys, and if you follow this diet as it is, you are going to easily lose 8 to 10 kilos in a month. So yeah, and do comment on this video if you want any ingredient to be changed, so that I can make sure you are adding good ingredients. And yeah, do comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get my further notifications. Take care, bye.